Welcome to QS Classroom. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use AI in doing material extraction, making the process easier and faster. I started off casually, just having a normal conversation with the AI. I began with a simple "hey," and from there I told it everything was going well. After that, I let the AI know that I wanted to do some material extraction, specifically for core and shell, and that sealing will be added later. I told it that I have a bill that I'll give it the specifications to make the work easier. Most times you give it detailed explanations to make your calculations easier. So it gave me how it wants the specifications to be listed to make its interpretation easier for it. We first started with plain to concrete with a ratio of 1:3:6. That's 2 meter cube of concrete. The AI gave the assumptions it would be using. I went through to make sure it's not going off track, that it's on the same page as I am. It started with a step-by-step calculations, giving the dry volume factor and the rest. You can pause and go through if you have enough time. Then it gave the answers or the materials it got for the calculation. Getting 9 bags of cement, that's 50 kg each. Got 0.952 meter cube of sand, then 1.903 meter cube of coarse aggregates. Gave 3% allowance for wastes. Mostly I use between 10 to 30%. You can give the percentage you want to it so that I use that for calculation. I wanted to confirm if I give it a different ratio, if it would still use the same factor, wet and dry volume factor it used, the 1.54. They responded that no, the dry volume factor doesn't change because of the mixed ratio. What changes is how the cement and the various components are split. So it went ahead to do the calculation with the 1:4 ratio, the same bulkage factor, and the same assumptions you can confirm from the previous. So now you see the mixed ratio is now 1:4, giving us 7 instead of the 1:36, which gave us the 9. So now the cement volume is now being multiplied with 1/7 instead of the 1/9 it used for the previous one. Same for the sand, same for the aggregates. So now our final answer, this one is giving 13 bags instead of the 9 bags. The sand is giving 0.96 and the coarse aggregate is giving 1.8 meter cube. It goes on to give the comparison between the two. So 9 to 13 bags, because the cement proportion is higher in the 1:4 than the 1:36. In 1:36, cement is 1/9. In the 1:4, cement is 1/7. So giving it a higher proportion of cement in the 1:4. But the sand and coarse aggregate seem to reduce a bit, because now the 2/7 of sand is just a bit lesser than the 3/9. The same for the 6/9 of the course aggregates than the 4/7. We'll be doing more videos on it. This is just for the concrete. We'll move on to formwork and others in our next video. Keep following QS Classroom for more.